Okay, Regents Exam 1, question number 14. What are the solutions to the equation 3 times the quantity x minus 4 squared equals 27? Now, anytime we're solving for x and it's a multiple choice question, again, graphing calculator. I'm not saying never do this by hand. I'm saying if you've got a calculator, take advantage of the easy ones. Let's add a calculator page. And all I'm going to do is menu, algebra, numerical solve. I want to solve this as quickly and efficiently as possible. So inside the parentheses, I've got to put the entire equation. So 3, another parenthesis, x minus 4, close the parenthesis, quantity squared, the equal sign, which is by the control key. That's where my equal sign is, and then 27. Now, if I just type enter here, NSolve's going to say, I don't know what you want from me. I'm just a stupid plastic box. What do you mean? Because you need to tell it everything. So right after that 27, we need a comma. Now the comma is down in the lower corner, lower left-hand corner below the pi key is the comma, right? And then x, because we're solving for x. Now when I press enter, I get a 1. The problem with getting a 1 is when you do NSolve, it only solves for one answer at a time. So, if I know that 1 is one of my answers, I want to give the calculator a range of where I'd like to see another answer. So, I'm not assuming the answer is that close to 1, so why don't we go 2 to like 100? And that's how I know that I'm looking for any positive numbers greater than 1 out there. And notice the other answer I get is 7. Now, the only other thing I would recommend when you're doing this, if you happen to be looking for a negative number, this always starts from the lowest number first. So if I wanted the negative number, I might put negative 100 to 2 just to see what it gave me. So let's try it that way and see what happens. So if in here, I switch that to negative 100 to 2, I'm asking for any number between negative 100 and 2, and then it goes back to the 1 because that's a number smaller than 2. So the moral of the story is when you're using NSolve, if you give it parameters of a range you want to look for that missing value, make sure that you put the lower number on the left and the bigger number on the right. So we can't go from 2 to negative 100. We would have to go from negative 100 to 2. And now check our answers. Let's see. Look at number 4, 1, and 7 are the answers. And that's our solution for question number 14.